lipstick besties, this is Victoria Lowe and I'm back with another video, and this time it is a Patreon community chat request from the lovely Sarita. She requested the Wet n Wild Lip Cream Cloud Pout with marshmallow. It's like a semi-velvety matte texture, really nice. She wanted the color called Dark Red. I'm on Cloud Wine, and I cannot wait to recreate this beautiful color. And this is the way that it came out. It came out so nice. I tried to get it as close to the picture swatch as I could, and I'm going to say that I am very impressed with how this color came out, and also how fall and holiday appropriate it is. It also falls along the lines of a neutral in a way, so it can be worn like any time of year, not just limited to fall or a holiday. But since we're in the season, I just wanted to come up with some themes that'll kind of, fit the season a little bit. First things first, I'm going in with my world famous lipstick base. You can grab that from veryveelobeauty.com. The recipe for today's video will be on my Patreon, linked in the description below. For a small pledge, you'll have an access to Patreon exclusives, early access videos, and you'll also be able to make requests via the community chat. And of course, you guys know I like to add my white first. So I'm going in with some titanium dioxide, and I'm just going to mix that in really good, and then follow right behind this rubber or silicone spatula with the electric hand mixer. Alright, it's time to add the color combo. I got some red 40, red 27 aka pink, some blue, and some black oxide combined to make this beautiful red shade. I'm just going to move that back and forth and combine it into the base and the titanium dioxide until we have that color there. And then I'm going to power up my hand mixer just to incorporate it and incorporate everything together some more. Now, I'm going in with some more white because I felt like this was a little dark. But if you like that shade, feel free to cut the titanium dioxide portion of the recipe on the PDF in half. So instead of the two, you can do one instead. All right, so yes, I'm just adding some more white to this lipstick because I wanted it to resemble the picture as much as possible. And just like that, I'm done with the color phase of this lipstick. Turned out really nice. And now I'm going again with some Kaolin Clay to bring the texture to a semi-matte texture. And I'm going to add that in, fold it in really good until you come up with a paste consistency. And from there, I'll be correcting it with my Isododecane remix. So now it's time to add the Isododecane remix. I'm just going to be adding that to a bowl and transferring it over to this bowl. And then from there, I'm going to power up my hand mixer, and just like that, we'll be done.
It's so quiet, but I hear you saying to me, baby, say our time, we're making up time. The times you wasn't with me waking up. Now you never said I couldn't miss you touch. I needed to distance myself from you. I was just alone with you.
I truly appreciate the versatility of this shade. And here's a side by side. I love the way this shade turned out. It is so pretty. It is so fitting any time of year, not just limited to the holidays. I also want to say that it's that time of year again where I host my annual Very Veelo Beauty Black Friday sale. You guys know I do my Black Friday early. This year it is 30% off the entire site, including classes. You guys, thank you so much for supporting me all these years. I truly appreciate it from the bottom of my heart. I'm wishing all of you a very happy holidays. Stay safe, and until next time, love you.